Good morning. My name is Nydia, and within the ECOFUNC project, we are Helian Polymers. Helian Polymers is a SME located in the south of the Netherlands. We are a supplier and company. Within the ECOFUNC project, we will be in charge of formulating and developing PHA suitable blends. As a general overview about the project itself, is going to be related to the building and construction and to find alternatives for the fossil-based plastics using PHA that we will produce by CO2 BioClean, the previous speaker. Basically, the main goal is, as you know, the building and construction industry makes an environmental impact in energy consumption, resource consumption, waste, pollution like air, water, landfill. But also PHA, even is commercial nowadays available, there is still limitation and there is no or restrictive large scale availability and production of PHA, and mainly because of different reasons, due to, for example, high production cost, limiting manufacturer scale, limitation in processability and properties, feedstock, and insufficient end-of-life infrastructure. Within the ECOFUNC project, we aimed to achieve or address different solutions, including the drive the PHA adoptions by the customers, enabling the market adoption using this polymer and bringing the gap between innovation and commercial implementation. And of course, demonstrating the technical availability of using PHAs as an alternative. Because the project is going to produce a PHA in Europe, and we will use for different applications in Europe. We will aim also for a circular value chain within the Europe. The name stands for Eco-Friendly, Circular and Functional Building Materials for Sustainable Construction. We will have, of course, to address different objectives, but our main goals together with CO2 BioClean is related to the development of PHA suitable for different applications such as foams, composite matrices, and reinforcement fibers. At the end, we want to find a solution, an alternative for the fossil-based plastics made by PHA. Why it matters? This is kind of linked to the project. Of course, we will use CO2 emissions as a feedstock. We are going to aim to the alternative production of PHA and developing, of course, blends suitable with tailored properties. And as I mentioned before, aiming for foams, biocomposite, and high-performance material. But the main goal is help companies to the transition and, of course, demonstrate the PHA could be suitable, not for everything, but as long as you know how to work with the polymer and by additivation and processing settings, you can, of course, demonstrate that the polymer can be suitable for different applications. And of course, we, as a compounder company and with experience in PHA, we also want to help customers to bring the material into the market. Within the project, we have achieved already different results, is summarized in the slide. And we have produced different PHAs right now. They have been tested. And for example, as an end application, we have already achieved good results for biocomposite boards using the PHA as a matrix, a binder. We are also working and gaining more know-how in the development of additives using PHA as a carrier. And some of them are flame retardant, for example, for some of the end products. And also melt spinning of PHA. What we want to achieve within the project is conversion the path into action. We want to encourage companies also to test and try PHA as an alternative material for the fossil-based plastics. It cannot only be used in construction and automotive and furniture, as ECOFUNC is proving and demonstrating, but also in agriculture, food, or packaging. CO2 BioClean will produce the PHA from CO2 waste streams, but also can be produced by other waste streams since it's produced by fermentation. So within the project, we also aim to test the material into real work environments, and with the main goal to assist the brands and compounders. And also, as everyone knows, the PHA is a biodegradable and bio-based material with really good properties in biodegradability, but within the ECOFUNC, we also try to demonstrate the mechanical and chemical recycling of the material. So yeah, this is my contact details. If you have any question, you want to schedule a meeting, I will be happy. So thank you so much.